Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use Sora AI Video Generator on mobile. So basically it's a desktop software. Actually it's not, because it works on a web browser. You just need an internet connection and your phone, and then what you need to do is simply head over to openai.com/Sora, and once you type this onto your cell phone device, you will be landing onto this page. From there you're going to be simply subscribing to their any plan. If you have ChatGPT Plus or Pro, then you are going to be having it for already. Basically it comes along with that, so then you can start generating your images and videos with that. And that's how simple it is to simply use Sora AI and on any mobile device. So I hope this helps, and it is actually pretty easy, no rocket science here. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you found this video interesting, and see you guys around in the next video.